Hello guys, thanks for watching this skit I made for today's video. You will see how many planes can this umbrella take down in one shot, because this weapon or umbrella is a very killer, because this rate has a 1,000 firepower and it can go, and the bullet can go faster as the speed of a missile. So without further ado, let's get shooting. Alright, now we're heading to the shooting range, and this is weaponed, is ready for shooting, and we should be expecting an army of invisible fighter jets. So here we go. Here we go. Okay, so this is it for the shooting range I made. So how many invincible fighter jets I take down? This can take down 36 and a half, because this weapon is the only killer. So remember that this is a skit, this isn't a weapon, this is just an umbrella. So if you have any questions for the next skits, please put them in the comments below, and I'll try to reply as soon as possible.